In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Orbitz, one of the more recognized travel booking websites. I started using Orbitz a few years ago when I was searching for a bundled hotel and flight deal. The website layout is relatively user-friendly, with a simple interface that allows you to select flights, hotels, car rentals, and even full vacation packages. The homepage lets you quickly input your travel dates and locations, and within seconds, it generates a list of results. You can sort by price, duration, number of stops, and more. However, I noticed that some deals come with hidden fees, especially when it comes to budget airlines and partner hotels. You have to read the fine print carefully. Orbitz also promotes its rewards program, Orbitz Rewards, which allows you to earn Orbucks for bookings. These can be applied to future hotel stays, but the catch is that it's not applicable to flights. The rewards can accumulate fast if you frequently book through the platform, but they expire in 12 months if unused, which is a downside for occasional travelers. I found customer service to be hit or miss. If your trip goes smoothly, you won't need them. But in cases of cancellation or issues with third-party hotel listings, resolution can be slow. The mobile app is quite robust. It mirrors most of the functionality of the desktop version and is helpful when managing bookings on the go. That said, be wary of price fluctuations. Sometimes the app shows different pricing than the desktop site, and that inconsistency can be frustrating if you're comparing options across devices. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another downside I've encountered is Orbitz's tendency to redirect users to partner sites when you're finalizing bookings. This shift can result in a different cancellation policy or customer support structure, and you might not realize it until it's too late. Transparency in those cases could definitely be improved. On the positive side, if you're flexible with your travel dates, the platform often suggests cheaper options, which can save you a lot of money if your schedule allows it. It also integrates well with maps and reviews for hotels, which helps in making better decisions based on user experiences. Overall, Orbitz works well if you know what to look out for. It's not the cheapest travel site out there, but it has the convenience of bundling options and frequent discounts if you're a rewards member. Just be sure to compare with other services like Expedia and Google Flights before locking in your trip. If this review helped you or saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest travel site reviews and tips.